All right, good morning, algebra students. Let's try some of these out. Do the steps with me. So we have 2x plus 3 divided by 4x squared minus 4 minus 9. All right, so how many times does 2x go into 4x squared? Well, I know 2 times 2 will give me 4, and x times x will give me the x squared. So it'll be 2x. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. And then 2 times 3 is 6x. Now we're in the stage where we have to subtract. When we do that, we have to change the signs here. So this is not an adding, this is subtracting. Just so these 4x squares cancel out. There's not an x up here. This would be like a 0x. So 0x minus a negative 6x is a negative 6x. What do we have to bring down? We'll bring down the negative 9. All right, so now we have to get this negative 6x to cancel out. We have to think, what do we have to multiply the 2x to cancel out the negative 6x? All right, we multiply by negative 3. Negative 3 times a 2x is a negative 6x. Negative 3 times 3 is 9, a negative 9. All right, now we have to subtract. When I put a subtract sign on, it changes all the signs. So this is going to be a plus, and this is going to be a plus. These 6x's cancel out, and then the 9's cancel out. Hey, we have no remainder. So the answer is 2x minus 3. Okay, let's try another one. Number 2. I'm going to put a 0x here just as a placeholder and see if that helps. What do we have to multiply the x by to get x squared? We have to multiply by x. X times x will give you the x squared. Now we go x times 4, we get 4x. We have to subtract. So this is not going to be positive anymore, it's going to be negative. These guys cancel out, the x squareds. Now we have a negative 4x. What do we bring down? We'll bring down the negative 4. Okay, we want to get rid of this negative 4x. What do we multiply this x by to get a negative 4x? We multiply by negative 4. I'm running out of room. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. We subtract, that means it changes the signs. The 4x's cancel out. So we're left with a negative 4 plus 16. That's like 16 minus 4, which is remainder 12. All right, let's try one more, and then you guys should be good. Okay, what do we multiply the x by to get 2x squared? Multiply by 2x. 2x times x is a 2x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. We subtract. That changes the signs. So negative 6, that'd be a negative x. What do we bring down? We bring down the minus 3. He's coming down. Now we have to think, what do we multiply this x by to get a negative x? We multiply by negative 1. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. We subtract. When we subtract, it changes the signs. So this is positive, this is positive. The x's cancel out, and the 3's cancel out. I love it when they do that, okay? Now when you do the work for today, you have to show your work. You can't just write the answer down, okay? So we left off at number 3, okay? So you have problems 4 through 10. Of those 4 through 10, I want to choose 4 other problems you want to do, okay? When you're done, make sure your name's on it, hand it in, and then you have some time to do some IXL, all right? Good luck.